Hello programmers, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to convert a math expression to C programming expression. Of course, this topic is quite simple and some of the things you are already familiar, but I just want to discuss about a little bit before moving to the further, okay? Here we have two expressions. As you can see, these are math expression, and of course, as you know, so far we cannot use directly this kind of symbol like a square plus b square and also the squared symbol. So we have to convert them into C programming expression. So for instance, this one we can convert as something like this, C equal, then we can say A into A for the S square, and for B square we could say B into B, and then there is a square root symbol to the whole. So in this case, what we can do, we can use parentheses, we can round them in parentheses, and then we can use our function called square root function here, which basically we can get from math.header, right? And this is the one. Of course, you all also know how to convert this into C programming expression. So we need to say A into A plus 2 into A into B plus B into B, right? This is very simple, as I already told you earlier, but we just wanted to get used to with this. That's all. Okay. So let's say whether we can perform this in C program. For sure, there are different ways we can also do this. We could use some other way. For an instance, I'm just writing it a different way here. I could say instead of A into A, I could use the power function from math, and I could say A to the power 2, and also the same thing I could do here. Power function again for B squared, I could say B to the power 2. That's all. So there are multiple ways we can do this program, but let's continue. At least I want to perform this one just to show you how basically we are converting a mathematical expression to C programming expression. Okay, so let's focus on this one. Okay, so somebody will give us the value of A and B, and we need to find out the result of A plus B whole square or S square plus 2 plus B square. Okay, so let's do that. Here I'm going to create our basic structure, hash include, and then let's give studio.h, and then in the end we can use integer main function, and let's put return 0 as usual at the beginning, right? And now we are going to just have the value of A and B, just give any random value, doesn't matter, and then B will be 3. And somebody is telling us, let's say, hey, you need to find out the result of A plus B whole square. So what we can do, we can say result, and then we know the formula of A plus B whole square, which is basically this one, A square plus 2AB plus B square, but we cannot write it like that, right? So in this case, we are going to say A into A plus 2 into A. So even though in real life, we write A square like this, but in C program, we have to use asterisk here. Even though in real life we say just 2ab, but here we need to say 2 into A into B. The asterisk symbol needs to be there, right? And then we can have B into B. That's all. After that, we can print the result. So let's do that here, print off. And here we are going to say A plus B whole square. This is something I wanted to say here. So just to display this, A plus B whole square equal, and then the result is something I want to print, and the result is going to come from the variable result. That's all. But if I want to print that square symbol, let me just copy from here and paste it here. All right, let's see whether it's going to work or not. Here I'm going to run this program. Let's execute this. And let's hope the result is coming very soon. And there you go. We have A plus B whole square equals 64. Now, instead of A, I want to show the value of A. Instead of B, I want to show the value of B. So in this case, all we need to do, we need to use %d. Also another %d here, and then let's go after the comma here. First %d is responsible for printing A, the second %d is responsible for printing B. That's all. Let's run this again and let's see what happens if we run this time. And there you go, it is working perfectly. So A plus B whole square equals 64 for sure. Is it true? 5 into 5 will be 25. Then 3 into 3 will be 9. So 25 plus 9 will be 34. And 5 into 3 will be 15 plus 2. 15 into 2 will be 30. So here, is it okay or not? We're just testing out real quick. So 5 into 5 will be 25. Then plus 2 into A into B. The value of A is 5. The value of B is 3. And then in the end, we have 3 into 3, right? And we know 3 into 3 will be 9 in this case. And then here, how much we have here? We have 30 here. So 30 and 25 will be 55, plus 9 will be 64 for sure. So everything is working perfectly. We just wanted to test it out anyway. So hopefully things are making sense. Let's move forward.